Hi, my dear friend. So today we learn about MS Word insert and home option in MS Word. So let's start it. First of all, you search Word. After that, open your page. So I write MS Word like this. Selection Control A. After that, I increase the word, all the word. So after that, you can select the word, select the text. After that, home tab, you are in home tab. So that's the cut option, like Control plus X. This is the shortcut key. After that, we cut all the text, and after that we paste Control V. Also paste Control V and select all the text. Copy mean duplicate your text anywhere you paste else your wish. So my wish is that Control plus V, and option is also there. Paste like this, paste like this, and paste like this. Keep text only. I wanted to copy my text like paste my text like I copied, so not a problem. This After that, you can select all text and you can bold your text, bold like this one, okay, and italic like this one, underline like this. You underline all the word. You can underline all the word, so you can easily change the shape of your underline like this, like this. Many shapes are there in underline. If you wanted to know underline in my text, so you can click on the none option, and more underlines. You can also find your new underline like you like this one. Many shapes are there in your underline like you see. After that, I finish my underline. After that, select your selection area and change the font of your text like this one. Very beautiful fonts are there in my computer. You can also download your fonts anywhere else. So after that, you can also increase your font size, your text size. Like this one, I said my text size 8, 60, 26, 27. Now in my text size 27 is right, is okay. After that, you can like this, okay. This is its work in math, like this one, 2 and 2. I said this 2 is power of my 2, okay. And after that, I'll also this one. If you want to know power of my text in math, so you can easily uncheck your that, okay. So guys, very easy and very fantastic options in home tabs. After that, I select my text and you increase your font size like this, okay, 100. And like this option, you decrease font size like this, okay. After that, we can see all these words change case. In which case you want to your font in your text. Sentences case, lower case, upper case, capitalize each word like this. Capitalize each word like that, and like that. Toggle case like this one. Anyone you want to uh, very easy. You want to you change your font shape in this option. After that, text highlight color. In which color do you want to your text? Like menu. Very good colors are there. And if you want no color, so no color. Okay. After that, select all the word if you want to, and like this. In which color your font? This is your wish. Like this one, like this one. More color also there in font size. More color. Any color you wanted to, you change your color, your text color. Okay. After that, gradient. Gradient also like this, like this, like this. Okay. So guys, today we learn about these options, very easy and very fantastic options in MS Word. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you, so you can subscribe my channel and like, share and comment my video. Thanks.